Grinding. We're gonna load this stove in this fridge. Dun, dun, dun. Everything must go, YouTube. All of it. I don't know how I'm getting that up them steps, but I'm getting that up them steps. If I gotta go out this window and walk around the whole building or something, everything must go. I don't care what it is. You can't even walk right yet, bro. Wave hop for the camera. Come on, baby. We're pressed for time. YouTube. So, I'm done painting again. Another day, another paint job. The maintenance guy right by my house said he's got tons of appliances for me, like at least a full load and then a whole nother load either tomorrow or Monday morning. We're going right now to get them and we'll be there in about 4 minutes. Let's get it. My brother helped me paint today and my buddy's little dog, little pug or whatever, got paint all over his shoulders. It's a black dog and it's like a light gray tannish color. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a stove. Might break the glass, it looks like. We're gonna load that up real quick. And we got a refrigerator to go get. And then he said there's a unit with a whole bunch of appliances in it. That is not for me. But yeah, we're getting this right now. Let's get it. Wave hop for the camera. Going up. There should be a refrigerator at that other dumpster up there. And then across over in them apartments is a bunch of stuff. Supposedly, let me cut this cord off now instead of later. I'll leave these in the back so they're all rusty, but it helps in a pinch. They're not that great. Keep your cords, ladies and gentlemen. Keep your cords. Grinding. Yeah. That guy right there is going on here. Quickly now. Check this out. I stopped to get the fridge and I looked in here. It appears to be a brake job. We're taking all of that. Rotors. Sheesh. We had our fair share of rotors this week, month, whatever. But yeah, they're coming with us. I'll still dig in the dumpster, I don't care. Looks like they only did one set. That's alright. Maybe I'll put them on top of that stove. And then this guy's coming with us. I don't see a freezer door. That's weird. Come on, Mr. Fridge. You gotta watch. Some of these might have some of them bad bugs inside of them that we don't want. Some of them. Moving right along. I'm gonna shove this in that corner, move them rotors, and then we're going across the way to get all the other appliances, guys. He said there's 2 more appliances up here behind here. I'm gonna try to go get them right now. Thank you, bro. He's right there. They're up there. I gotta go get them. I see them. One time I recorded rolling a hot water heater from up there all the way to here. There's a stove and a fridge up there in the middle. I'm gonna go get them, load them, and go. He said, told me there's a lot more after this, like more than 2 loads, I think. And I told him, don't you worry, buddy, I'll take everything. And he said, okay. So tomorrow we got a lot of work to do. I swear last time it was from this place too. We're gonna load this stove in this fridge. Everything must go, YouTube, all of it. I don't think this grill goes. Sheesh. They must have got like a bunch of orders at once or something. I'm gonna fill my truck to the roof tonight, hopefully. Wow, there's a compressor laying right there. I don't know if that's trash or not. Cause we take compressors. We sure do. This ain't gonna be too easy, but yeah. I brought the stove first cause I'm gonna try to flip it and sit it on top of a, what's it called? Tire well. Okay guys, I hope you can see this. It should be recording. He said unit D, which is downstairs, I believe. Pretty sure it's 4 of them, right? Yeah, A, B, C, D. I still remember the alphabet. That one, he said it's unlocked and I can take everything in there. He said it like it's a lot. He said they thought it was unlocked. He's coming in a few minutes to get in there and see what we got going on. Okay guys, this stove goes, he said if I can unscrew this, I can take this. I'm in a whole different unit. The one across the hallway has a few more in there, and he said tomorrow there's a bunch left. I told him I'll get rid of these right now. I don't know how I'm getting that up them steps, but I'm getting that up them steps. If I gotta go out this window and walk around the whole building or something, everything must go. I don't care what it is. And we might be taking this later, but I ain't sure. Let's get it, guys. That's where the stove is, where I just was. This is the other one. All this goes stove. He said any appliances I can get. All these. We ain't taking that. And then tomorrow he's pulling a whole bunch more. I think that's it. There's only 3. Oh, there's a sink. I might be getting a sink too, guys. We'll find out. But for today, I'm just gonna fill my truck up with like 4 more things. If I can get that combo out, maybe I'll take this one. Boy, we got some work to do, guys. I'm doing gas lines, guys. Come on, baby. There we go, there we go. Yeah. Come on, bro. I got him. And then I'll just unhook this from the back. I'm not even going to mess with that gas line. This ain't super heavy, but I gotta unscrew this vent thing instead of just break it in case they're going to use it on the next one. I don't know, so I'm not going to damage it. Sheesh. Okay, I'm taking this out. I took the door off. And all the other stuff to loosen, take the weight down, son. Guys, I don't know if I can get this combo up these steps. I'm gonna use my hand truck to back, like angle it, put it on the second step, and then try to flip it up the steps. Wish me luck. Sheesh. That was kind of rough, honestly. Gonna load this up now. That was rough. And guys, I've been here much later. Got it pretty full though. I'm about to head out, man. Sheesh. That was a late night. Everything must go. We're going to the yard in the morning. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Real quick. 1 terabyte. So I already have one of these, but this one is strictly for YouTube stuff. I'm gonna fill this baby up and save my videos and such. I haven't been doing that, and the dude suggested it, and he's right, and I'm 2.5 years late. Let's go to work. There's 4 little kitties back here. He's in there on the left, and all them little guys are kitty cats. They're the babies. Hi, mommy. I'm sorry, baby. She's looking at me like, what are you doing? We got them in this little shanty we made. Grinding. So, there's some loose copper and brass thrown all in here. Let's check this out. My truck is so dirty. This is from yesterday, guys. I gotta cut a few cords when we get there. Not a lot, but maybe a couple. There's a piece of brass I might be able to get off. We're taking this to the yard, and then I'm going to pick up more appliances around noon-ish. I gotta be to the yard by 12:30, or really 12 o'clock, and it's like 10:30. So I might go to my storage unit real quick. I might have stolen this hat from my daughter. I love it. All right, guys, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. I'm on my way to my storage unit. I have an air conditioner in there, and I'm gonna go take 25 minutes probably and unscrew some screws off of that, or separate all the copper and non-ferrous I have. It's not a lot. I'm kind of wasting a half hour. The maintenance guy told me after 12:30 noon is a good time, and it's 10:47. I have to go to the scrapyard around 12, so I gotta kill about a half hour. Let's get it. We'll be there in 1 second. Okie dokie, guys. I'm gonna probably break some of this down real fast. Can't take the TV or these tanks, but I can take copper, and only got literally like a half hour. There's a little bit of wire if I'm doing non-ferrous. I'm gonna quickly bust this down and then fly to that yard. ASAP, ASAP. Here's a little bit of plumber's brass. This is like dirty copper, I guess. My truck is a mess. I just throw it in here all week. I've been a painter all week. I haven't been a scrapper as much. I have still been scrapping, just not as much. Brass, copper. I don't have time to do this. Oh my gosh, brass. Copper.
brass, copper. What else? What else? Brass. Ooh, a shiny one. Copper. 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 Okay. Now I'm gonna get some more really fast. We're leaving in like 25 minutes, literally. Come on, baby. We're pressed for time. When you bend them down, watch you don't scratch your calves with this. I've done it before and had copper digging in my legs. I'm gonna throw this on top. Woo! Almost time to go, guys. Collection's building. We are in a super hurry. Imagine that.
Every one of these little things, you grab that thing with the chin locks and pull down, they bend out. I mean, they're not always that easy. You can grab them, every one of them, and you pull it down, just, you know, pull it down enough, it's gonna bring that next one out. Even the ones that's underneath the...
Scrapping on the fly 77. Smart move, man. I've never done it that way, actually.
Sometimes.
Check his channel out, guys.
When you get grip.
We are 2 minutes away from the Saturday afternoon scrapyard. Let's go empty this whole load, and then we got a bunch of appliances to go get. About 15-20 minutes from here afterwards. Everything must go, YouTube. Approaching the scale. Decent amount of non-ferrous.
On your right. Choppa salvage.
76.20. Let's go throw this out, guys. Okay, guys, we're here. Quickly now, quickly now. Keep the hand truck. Sheesh. Make some room. Oh man, I gotta cut this wire still. Where's my snips? Let's use this all. Cut your wires. Cut your cords. Everything adds up, guys. Everything adds up. Alright. Bye-bye stove. Wave high for the camera. Shoot, this guy's so heavy. Get off of my truck. Bye-bye combo. Wowzers. Sheesh, I gotta cut that cord. Still. This is gonna fall. Bye-bye stove. Timber. Okay guys, I'm gonna throw all these out and get more footage afterwards. Come on, Mr. Stove. Sheesh. Look at that load. He's got 2 old trailers on there. We're gonna go get on the scale. There's a lot of people here today. I guess it's the end of the week. Everybody's gotta get on here ASAP. The guy over there in the orange shirt said he watched my channel and I'm working too hard. And I said I agree. Getting weighed out. 63.60. We gotta go do non-ferrous, and there's a bunch of people right here, so I don't know how we're gonna get up there, but we're gonna go do it because there's a bunch back there. Sheesh. YouTube. Clark. Sheet iron. 1,260 pounds at 8 cents. They take like a $2 and something fee. And then we have all kind of non-ferrous. The radiators were 28. Sealed units was 32. Electric motors, $4.50. $3 in batteries. $2.25 in aluminum sheeting. Number 2 copper was $2.25, I believe. Or $27.20. All the non-ferrous put together was $122 for a grand total 100, 200, 25, 6. Sorry, I'm doing all this and driving. 226, not bad. And now the maintenance guy is on the way here from Catonsville, Maryland. He said he's gonna be about a half hour, so I'm 13 minutes from down there. We're gonna have to wait a little bit, but when he gets here, I'm loading another load of appliances on here, and the yard will be closed, so I can't go back today. Thank you for watching, YouTube. Everything must go. That wasn't bad amount. It was all my non-ferrous that I've been collecting, plus what I got yesterday after work in the dark almost. It took me like 45 minutes yesterday. It took me almost 2 hours. Got home at night. Everything must go. On to the next one. Let's go load another load. What's up, little guys? You can't go back there, bro. Come on, get in there. You gotta go back in your house. Tell him to go home. Hi, babies. Hi, kitty. You guys can't be coming out your house. My little babies. Let's see that little kitty. You can't even walk right yet, bro.
Hey guys, I just got a refrigerator. It's in the back. I didn't even strap it. I'm following the maintenance, the boss, to different buildings, and he's giving me all the appliances out of each unit. There's one of TV. But long story short is I'm gonna fill this truck up real quick if possible. Okay guys, taking this baby, this dryer. There's a stove upstairs that needs to be unhooked from gas. Then over there's more. There's also a refrigerator upstairs. My hand truck's on the top floor. Of course it's on the top floor. Why would it be on the level? But yeah, I'm taking this and putting all this in there. Took the door and crap off the stove up there. He gave me a sink. I got a lot of work to do very fast because he's coming back in a little bit. Let's get it, let's get it. Come on, Mr. Dryer. Easy day, easy day. Sheesh, that's pretty noisy there, YouTube. Copper. All right, guys, 3rd floor. Here we go. Ready? This should be fun. Sit down. I'll pull back a little for each step. Makes it easier. Sheesh. Whoops. Sheesh. I just got soaked trying to take a drink out of here. Like, I got a drink outside, look. It's shot all over me. The camera's wet, everything. Sorry guys. Try yourself off. So, I tried to disconnect this gas and straight gas is coming out. And there ain't no valve. He's gonna come turn the gas off for the whole building or this unit in 1 minute. Then I'm gonna unhook it. We're gonna get this stove in 1 minute. I loaded that fridge. The same thing I did yesterday. Unhook appliances and load them up until I got a full load, and then I'm done for the day. Because the yard's closed. Let's get it, YouTube. We're on the way to the next unit, but I forgot I was grabbing this TV right here. There's a Christmas tree. Might as well load that. It's metal. This new place does not take these, but Dundalk does. Al Metals does. So we're gonna load this real quick, guys. This is just a wooden speaker. If I was street scrapping, I'll probably grab the speaker, but I'm not going to today. I could take it apart if I really feel. There's a chair. I'm taking that chair too. It's going with me. Let's get it, guys. Grinding. Boom, 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 boom. Fridge number 3, 3 stoves, 3 fridges total. Okay, I got 6 total, 1 here now. I'm going to another location. Check out this truck. Love it, bro, love it, love it. Okay, let's go pick up 2 more. Here's the maintenance dude right here in the silver joint.
told him I have room for 2 more units, and he said let's do the easy ones. So I'm going to this building across the street. All 3 areas are the same development, and he's the head dude for all of them. Greg is a good dude, very good dude. Let's go load 2 more, guys. Arrgh. These tie bosses are awesome. This is a 3/8 one, like the rope, and then I think I got a 1/4 inch or something like that. My brother got me this. It turns out this thing is absolutely amazing. I'm telling you guys, it does like a pulley thing, where it makes it easier, like takes some of the weight off. If you do it correctly, it wraps in on itself. I don't know, 300-pound maximum load, and I bet that's just because of the rope itself. But yeah, if you guys never heard of a tie boss, at least check out their Facebook page or something, because I'm telling you, these things are serious. Serious tie boss. What is it called? It's a pulley and some fulcrum or something like that, where it makes your load, takes like half of the amount of weight off each wrap of the rope or cord or whatever you're using. I was looking at their website. The tie boss is awesome. Big fan of the tie boss, guys. You just pull it really tight, righty? And then you pull it as tight as you can, and then the rope just slides up in them teeth, and then you're tight. This guy online was on Facebook pulling like 5-gallon buckets of paint in the air with it. Tie boss, tie boss, tie boss, tie boss. I'm not sponsored, I just really like it. So yeah, we got this loaded up pretty good. I'm pretty done for the day, and I'm pretty exhausted. Thank you guys for watching. We go to the scrapyard on Monday morning. Tires are bulging. Sheesh. Everything must go, YouTube. All of it. We're recycling the whole Baltimore area. Everything. Sidewalks, all that. Got a little copper and brass too. I might have stolen this hat from my daughter. Let's get it, let's get it.